Good morning. This is our video for Sunday. Working on the tree. Third day. We're about halfway on the one branch. Or that half over the house is almost gone. And the man is cutting it all up right here. All the YouTube people that look at this kind of thing. And well, still got a long ways to go. But that's what we're looking at. Give a height comparison. Alright. The house comes up to the first V in height, and it's still got 2 times that above. Got this one kind of short where I just woke up. Looks like our last day of cutting. And well, that's all we got to say about that. Everyone take it easy. Bye.